Hello everybody, and in today's video I'll teach you guys how you can reset your Instagram Explorer page in 2021. So before starting this video, be sure to like and subscribe with notification turned on to our channel because we post content like this. So to get notified for our future video, be sure to subscribe with notification on, and let's start today's video without any further ado. So to reset your Instagram Explorer page, you can just basically go to your profile picture at the bottom right corner, click on the three line at the top right corner, go to settings, and on setting go to security. On security, go to search history and click on clear all and clear all your search history. And after clearing all your search history, you can click on the search icon at the bottom, and then over here in this page, just click on the type of content which you don't want to see, like this. I can click on the three dot at the top right corner now, and then click on not interested. Now do this with all the posts you don't like, and Instagram will know that you don't like this kind of post and will stop showing this kind of post on your page. Now to show the kind of post you like, you can go to your search again and then search the type of content you like I like the content of Gary Vee, so I can just engage with his content by following him and just liking his videos, his photos, and commenting on them. By this, Instagram will know I like this kind of content, and they will promote more of this kind of content on my Instagram Explorer page. So yeah, it won't happen instantly. It might take like 4 or 5 hours for Instagram to reset your Instagram Explorer page, so be patient. So that's basically it. So if you guys found this video helpful, then be sure to like and subscribe with notification turned on, and comment down below what type of video we should make next, and I'll be signing out. Have a nice day everybody. Peace out.